Please don't. We're in Hawaii. It's so beautiful here. Walking the strip. Going to go eat ramen right now. Baby slept so good last night because she was so tired from her long flight. She was causing a scene. This is my outfit for today. I think so. These are so pretty. I'm in love. Those are...
I don't know. I love the lizard. Something different.
The lizard looks different. Do you know what kind of lizard that is?
Java.
Java?
But I'm supposed to do it.
I thought you were gonna go more. How was it? Did you dive?
Yeah. Salty.
Salty? Was it warm or cold?
Huh?
Was it warm or cold?
Because it fits the form perfectly.
And then let me bring you a one other cup of tea. Wait.
I'll bring your cappuccino on the side. Thank you.
Guys, to do your lifelines to the zip line, people please do not touch them unless
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Okay, so what I want everyone to do for me really quick, find a partner, okay? Once you find your partner, that's who you'll be racing up against.
This is our longest and fastest line at over 1,100 feet of cable, okay? Woo woo! Since you're racing, go ahead and place your bet.
Okay, wait, what am I supposed to hold on to?
Zipping both ends? Alright, so Nancy, you were unconnected right now.
Okay.
So hang on tight for me first. Alright, you can call my phone real quick. Yeah.
Ah! No!
One person ready. Let's try one more time.
Can I please get one scampi and one hot and spicy?
Be careful. Table is real. Washington's better cross the pond to the docks over there. Oh, there he is. Yo, go, turtle.
He's coming up.
Yay! Yay! Oh, that's it. One more time. Oh, he wants to play.
So pretty.
No, he's not. So you guys see the two longhorn steers on the left here? They came from the island of Maui. I can't see anything in there. P-I-P-I. Kualoa. Kualoa actually means long back. So when you heard, however, he went right in between the tires. So we have a styrofoam Willie up here now, 2 years old, so of course it's deteriorated over the years. But they hid under the log, the Gillimimus. Nape of their neck to the buttocks is where they lose the wool last. Now, will not approach you, just don't approach them. Okay? So.
This is awesome. This is so cool. So beautiful.
It's about 8 years because of a few. We get into cattle ranching. That's one of the things we're known for today, besides all the different movies, commercials, music videos, and the local shows. You can get to the historic Haleiwa. So that guy's probably just waiting. And then we're going to talk just a little bit.
Mommy, baby. Skylar, Skylar, Skylar. That's not possible.
Sandy. Okay, mommy here.